Hello kids and welcome to Notebook. In this video, we will meet a bright girl named Seema and see how she goes to the zoo where learns about so much about counting the same thing a number of times. And in this process, she learns a lot about multiplication. One day, Seema's father takes her out to the zoo. Seema is all charged up. She loves animals, and to see them all together in one place fills her up with excitement. She runs around from one enclosure to another. There she comes to a place where the giraffes are kept. She has never seen such long-legged creatures, which are now standing in front of her. She starts counting the legs of the giraffe. She counts 1, 2, 3, 4 and goes to another enclosure and again counts 1, 2, 3, 4. Her father explains her that each animal has 4 legs, 2 at the front and 2 at the back. So, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. We can also say 2 times 2 makes 4. Now, can you tell me how many giraffes are there? Seema spots a group of zebras. She starts counting them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Seema's father asks her if there are 5 zebras, how many legs would they have in all? Seema thinks for a while and answers correctly. Seema goes to a group of deer. Again, she counts. There are 10 deer in all. Her father asks her that for 10 deer, how many legs would there be in all? Did you calculate already? It would be 4 added 10 times. That is 40. Next, they go to the insect section. There, Seema spots spiders inside the glass walls. Creepy, crawly, venomous spiders. Are you scared of spiders? Her father asks her if she knows how many legs does a spider have. He tells her that a spider has 4 legs on one side and 4 on the other. So, 4 plus 4 makes 8. We can also say 2 times 4 makes 8, right? Now, how many spiders are there? Yes, 4. So, how many legs would all of them have? Then they went to the aquarium inside the zoo. There were octopuses swimming inside the water tank. Her father asks her to count the number of legs of the octopus. Yes, they are 8 in number. So, how many legs would 5 octopuses have? After a lot of roaming around, Seema felt tired. So, her father took her to a food stall. They had cool drinks. Seema's father asks her to try something new. Let's find totals without counting. Now see how many cool drink bottles are inside the rack. There are 4 columns and each column has 6 bottles. So together the rack has 4 times 6, which is equal to 24 cool drink bottles. Now let's see how many eggs are there in the egg racks. There are 5 columns and each column has 6 eggs. So, how many eggs are there in all? Yes, there would be 6 times 5, that is 30 eggs. they go to the garden inside the zoo and see many stacks of flower pots arranged neatly and beautifully. Can you tell me how many flower pots are there without counting? After the visit, as they were heading back home, Seema's father asks her a few questions. He tells her that there is a gift for her if she got them all right. Her father asks her to solve the following using a different method. What is 2 times 5? What is 4 times 18? What is 3 times 20? What is 8 times 9? Seema understood the problem quickly and solves it like this. Her father is very pleased. Then he asks her to solve the following. Again, Seema answers each of them quite correctly. Let us try to solve these story sums now. Bhim has 4 packets of biscuits and each packet has 4 biscuits. How many biscuits are there in all? There are 12 desks in a classroom and each desk has 4 legs. How many legs were there in all? Reema bought 3 bunches of flowers and each bunch has 4 flowers. How many flowers are there in all? One rail coach has 8 wheels. How many wheels would be there in 6 rail coaches? Yes, Seema has got all of them correct. Her father asks her to get her gift from the car. Did you also try answering the questions on your own? And yes, there was a cage with a guinea pig inside the luggage keep of their car. Yeah, Seema squealed in surprise. So dear friends, we saw that repeated addition is the same as multiplication. We hope you enjoyed learning. See you with more interesting things in the next video. Until then, goodbye.